Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means sum of the observation to the total number of observation. It means if the observation is given, you have to add all the observation then divide by the number of observation. And in exercise 14D, you have to do all the question with this formula of arithmetic mean. Let's start. Question number 1. Find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. Now what is natural numbers? All the numbers are called as a natural numbers except 0. So first 5 natural number will be your 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's start. Solution number 1. So you have to write x bar. X bar represents the symbol of mean. So first 5 natural number, you have to add first all the 5 natural number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now how many observation you are considering here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 5. Add it. If you add, you will get here 15. This is 5. So answer will be 3. Now see the second one. Find the mean of all factors of 10. It means in which multiplication table 10 comes. 10 comes in table 1, then table 2, then table 5 and 10. It means 1, 2, 5 and 10 is the factors of 10. So x bar will be 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10 divided by how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal to, add it, 15, 16, 17, 18 by 4. And if you divide this one, 4, 4 is 16, 4, 5 is 20. So 4.5 is the mean of all factors of 10. Now come to the number 3. Find the mean of first 10 even natural number. Even number means the numbers which are divided by 2. It means we have to consider the multiplication table of 2. So x mean is equal to 2 1 is 2 plus 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18 and 2 10 is 20. See all the even numbers. Even first 10 even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I have used the everywhere here plus sign because sum of all the observation. Divided by how many observation? This is 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now you have to add all this. If you add all this, we will get here 110. This is 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. 11 will be the answer of this question number 3. Now question number 4. Find the mean of first 5 multiples of 3. Now the multiplication table of 3 and you have to consider till 5 numbers. So 3x mean equal to 3 1 is 3 plus 3 2 is 6 plus 3 3 is 9 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 3 5 is 15 divided by 1 2 3 4 5. So now you have to add this one. After adding, you will get here 45 and divided by 5. So this is answer will be your 9. 5 9 is 45. I hope all this 1, 2, 3, 4 is clear to you. Only you have to do the sum of the observation to the total number of observation. Now question number 5. The number of children in 10 families of locality are 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 0, 5, 1, 6. Find the mean. So all the observation is given. So just add it. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 6 divided by 10. Add it. If you add all this, you will get here 30. 30 by 10. This get cancelled. So answer will be 3. Solution of 6. The following number of books issued in a library is this. So again some observations are given. You have to add all the observations. Add the observation. 105 plus 216 plus 322 plus 167 plus 273 plus 405 plus 346 divided by. Now see how many observations are given here. You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7. Now add it. All this 105, 216, 322, 167, 273, 405, 346. If you add 834, 1834 comes and 7 and divide it. 7 2 is 14. Then 7 6 are 42. Then 7 2 is 14. So answer will be 262. Now solution number 7. This is very important. If arithmetic mean of 7, 9, 11, 13, x, 21 is 13. Now mean is given. You have to find the unknown value. So we have to start like this only. X bar is equal to. Write down the number 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus x plus 21 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now x bar is given. Means mean is given. What is mean is given here? Mean is given as a 13. So write down here 13 is equal to, add all the numbers. If you add all the numbers, you will get 61 plus x by 6. So this one will be, make 6 here. So this is 13 into 6 is equal to 61 plus x. So 13 into 6 will be your 78 is equal to 61 plus x. 78 minus 61 equal to x. So 78 minus 61 will be 17 is equal to x. So 17 is the answer. 78 minus 61 is equal to x. So if you minus this one, 78 minus 61 right here. So here x is equal to 17. So this is the answer. X equal to 17 is your answer. So what we have to do in question number 7, mean is given. Write down the formula for the mean. Mean is equal to sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Sum of observation will be your 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus x plus 21. Add all the numbers plus x. If you add all the numbers, you will get 61. 61 plus x by 6. Now just you have to solve. Make this 6 here. 13 into 6 will be 78 equal to 61 plus x. Bring the 61 from left hand side, right hand side to left hand side. 78 minus 61, that one will be your 17. So unknown value of x is your 17. Now the last question, question number 9. Question number 8, you have to use the same formula, sum of the observation to the number of observation. So please try yourself. Now question number 9. The mean of 20 number is 43. Now the mean of 20 number is given as a 43. If 6 is subtracted from each of the number, what will be the new mean? It means if you subtract the 6 from each number, then what will be your new mean? So for this question you have to know one thing, that whenever we subtract the same number from each and every observation, then the mean is also subtracted by that number. It means mean is also decreased by that number. For example, suppose here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Here if you subtract the same number with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then the given mean, this 3 is also subtracted with the same number. Now see here, for question number 9, since 6 is subtracted from each of the number. So mean of 20 number is given. So mean is given is equal to 43. Now 6 is subtracted from each and every observation. So what will be the new mean? So new mean is 43 minus 6, which is equal to 37. So if the number is each and every, if the same number is subtracted from each and every number, then the mean is also subtracted by the same number. That is why the new mean will be 43 minus 6, which is equal to 37. So what we will write? If each observation is subtracted by 6, then mean is also subtracted by or decreased by 6. Each observation is subtracted by 6, then mean is also subtracted by 6. I hope all this is clear to you. So for today's assignment, you have to solve question number 1 to 9 of exercise 14D in your copy. Thank you.